The moment you enter the two-story foyer you will feel right at home. This spectacular all-brick two-story offers an open floor plan and huge room sizes. The main level boasts a spacious kitchen with white cabinets, granite counters, new stainless steel appliances and separate eating area. The sunroom overlooks the deck and two-story family room with fireplace. Atrium windows allow ample sunlight. Office, formal living and dining rooms with gleaming hardwood floors throughout. Up the dual staircase features a master suite with luxury bath, 2 walk-in closets and balcony. 3 additional bedrooms offering new carpet. Huge finished basement complete with theater room, rec room, 2 more bedrooms, full bath with sauna and loads of storage. Newer zoned heat and air. Huge private yard offers large deck, shed and beautiful landscaping. Plenty of space for a large family. Award-winning schools. Easy access to expressways and shopping. A great place to call home.